What's going on, y'all? Nick here, coming to you with another video. So, you guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to play all your 12 keys, all right, with both your right and your left hand, all right. I'm going to teach you the fingering, all right, and also make sure that when you look at this video and you study it, make sure you go back and you do everything that I'm telling you with a metronome. I'm going to teach you how to properly do that, all right. I'm probably going to break this series into 12 different videos so that none of the videos are too long. All right, the next scale in the circle of fifths is going to be the D scale, all right. So first I'm going to play with my left hand. And now I'm going to play the same scale with my right hand. Alright, now this is me playing it together. And as always, make sure you play with a metronome, so it should sound like this.